Hello and welcome friends to my channel Effective Engineer. Now in this video I will discuss about the technical exams for which mechanical engineers can apply. Now these are the exams for which you can apply in your final year of engineering or when you are getting pass out. So I have divided these exams into 4 categories. The first one is the common exams. Second one is the exams for research organization. The third one is PSU's exam. And the fourth one is AE and JE state level exams. Okay. So now the first one is GATE. Now this is very common exam. Many students apply for this exam every year. So now through this exam you can get admissions in ME, MTech, MS in private colleges or in IITs and NITs depending on your scope. The second one is through GATE you can get into PSUs. Okay, if your GATE score is really good, then you will be called by the PSUs for the interview like ONGC and NTPC. And through GATE the third one is you can go in NITI Mumbai. The NITI Mumbai also offers 2 courses for the engineers, that is PGDIE and PGDIEM, that is Postgraduate Diploma in Industrial Engineering and Material Management. Now the second exam is IES, or you can call it as ESE, which is conducted by UPSC. Now this is conducted to recruit the officers to do the technical functions of government in engineering field. Okay. Now these exams are somewhat difficult as compared to other exam because it has technical plus aptitude plus maths and more 4 to 5 subjects are added in this, like engineering drawing, engineering ethics, environment science and etc. Okay. So through this you are recruited as officers in central water supply system or central defense system, etc. Now the second one is research exams of research based organization like BRC, Baba Atomic Research Center, ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, and DRDO, that is Development Research and Defense Research and Development Organization. So now every year BARC conduct their own exam, or they are recruited by the GATE. If your GATE score is well, then you can apply through your GATE score. So they will call you for interview. No need to give their own written test which is conducted by BARC. But if your GATE score is less, then you are eligible to give the separate exam of BARC which is conducted by them. And if you are clearing that cutoff, then you will be called for interview. Now the second one is ISRO. Now ISRO conduct their own exam. They don't recruit the students to GATE exam. Okay, so first you have to crack the exam and then you have to give the interview. Similarly for DRDO, like for some years they have recruited through GATE, some years they have taken their own exam, so it depends. So when notification comes, you must see whether they are conducted their own exam or they are recruiting by GATE. Okay, but for this organization your interview is very important. Okay, because these are research based organization, your interview will be really tough. So first they will ask you to write down your 5 important your favorite subjects, and all interview will be taken on those subjects. So you have to very crystal clear concepts you should have for the subjects you have selected. Okay, so for such an interview you must use the reference book, clear your concepts from basics. Okay, in-depth questions will be asked, so be ready for that. Now the third one is PSUs. So in PSUs, like nowadays many of the PSUs are getting privatized. They are conducted their own exam like CIL, WISAC, HPCL. Now these are some exams which have happened in recent years, NLC, HL, etc. Okay, so now the pattern of this exam is the syllabus is same as GATE, but you got less time and more questions. So the question level is below the GATE exam. Okay, so you have to practice more on you have to practice more question. Okay, you have to use your time wisely and you have to increase your speed for such exams. Now the fourth one is AE and JE exams, state level exams like SSCJE, RRBJE. Okay, now these PSUs and AE and JE exam are similar somewhat. Okay, because you have less time, more questions, so the question level is below the GATE exam. Okay, so you have to practice more and you have to be accurate in your answers. Okay, So this was all about the technical exams. Okay, so from this, if you are preparing for GATE, then almost you are covering 80% syllabus of each exam. So GATE exam is very important, so start preparing for the GATE exams. Okay, so if you are preparing for GATE, then each and every exam will be easy for you. Almost you cover the 70 or to 80% of each and every exam. So remaining 10 to 20% exam, so accordingly you have to study for each and every exam. First go through the patterns, the previous year questions for each exam. If you are applying for any of the exam, first go through the previous year questions, go through their pattern, their syllabus, and accordingly prepare. Okay, so in next video I will tell you about the important books, reference book for these exams, which will be really helpful for you. So also do watch that video. Okay, so this was all about the exams which mechanical engineers can apply. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.